Let's be honest, Korean skincare looks magical. People in their 30s look like they're in their 20s, glowing like glass, wrinkle-free, and everyone asks, how? The truth is, it's not because they use 12 steps or some secret snail goo, and also, it's not about any facial treatment. It's because of a few smart habits and hacks that actually protect and repair skin over years. But here's the catch. Korea is a cold country. Their products are made for cold winters, not sweaty summers. If you live in a hot place like India or Africa, just copying them won't work. So today, I'll show you the actual hacks that work, how to do them step by step, and how to get that same youthful glow without wasting money. Okay, first up, double cleansing. Koreans don't play around when it comes to washing their face. Step 1, use an oil cleanser or even plain jojoba oil if you're broke like me. This melts makeup, sunscreen, and all the junk you don't even know is sitting on your skin. Step 2, follow up with a gentle water-based cleanser. Not a harsh scrub, not a kills 99.9% bacteria soap bar, just a mild foaming cleanser. Here's the #1 hack, and I mean #1. Koreans treat sunscreen like skincare, not makeup. That's why at 35, they still look 25. Here's how you actually do it. Use SPF 50+, PA++++ water sweat resistant. In heat, go for light gel or fluid textures, not thick balms. Every single morning, even if you're indoors near windows. Apply 2 fingers length of product to your face and neck. If you sweat or go outside, reapply every 2 to 3 hours. If makeup is on, use a sunscreen stick or powder to top up. This is why their skin doesn't age fast. Forget expensive serums. UV damage is the real cause of wrinkles and spots. Now face mask, what actually works. For oily and combination skin, clay mask or Kaolin Fuller's Earth Mask for 5 to 8 minutes. Remove before it fully dries to avoid overstripping. Mix with aloe juice instead of water for a softer finish. Once a week. For dry and sensitive skin, try a colloidal oatmeal plus honey wash off 1 teaspoon oat flour plus 1/2 teaspoon honey, add a little water, 8 to 10 minutes. This calms irritation, smooths and reduces itch without burning your barrier. Acne prone skin, salicylic acid mask to clear pores. A 2% salicylic acid wash off mask once weekly. Follow product's timing. Then hydrate lightly. Always patch test new stuff on your inner arm or behind the ear for 24 hours before using on face. That's it. 1 mask a week is enough. Too many equals barrier damage. Yes, rice water is a real hack, but here's the safe way. Rinse 2 tablespoons of rice, soak in 1 cup clean water for 30 minutes, strain. Refrigerate and use within 48 hours. Dilute with plain water, apply on face with cotton for 5 minutes, then rinse. It soothes and brightens some skin types, but don't use if you're acne prone or sensitive. Always patch test first, never attacks on your skin. No harsh scrubs, no burning lemon masks that makes your face squeaky. Believe in protecting the skin barrier, the thin wall that keeps your face calm, hydrated, and youthful. The gentler you are, the longer your skin stays strong. Now the ice hack, you've probably seen people dipping their face in a bowl of ice water like they're doing some kind of punishment ritual. But trust me, it actually works. Fill a bowl with cold water and throw in a bunch of ice cubes. Now just dunk your face in for about 10 to 15 seconds. What this does is it tightens your skin, reduces puffiness, and makes you look instantly fresh. It's like a free filter, but in real life. And if you can't dunk your face because it's too cold, just wrap some ice cubes in a clean cloth and rub it gently over your face in circular motions. Same effect, less pain. So now exfoliating is basically like kicking out all the lazy dead skin cells that are just sitting on your face making you look dull. You don't need to do it every day. Twice a week is enough because if you overdo it, your skin is like bro chill and you'll end up red, sensitive, and patchy. You can use chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid, lactic acid, or BHA. These are gentle, melt away the dead skin. But if you're like, I don't want acids, no problem, you can totally do it at home. My favorite DIY is sugar plus honey. Mix them together into a sticky paste, rub it gently on your face in circular motions for like 30 to 60 seconds, then wash it off. Another one is coffee plus yogurt, rub it in circles and rinse. Coffee wakes up your skin and yogurt makes it soft and glowy. It's easy, cheap, and it works. For your lips, same deal. You can buy a lip scrub if you want, but at home you can mix sugar plus honey, rub lightly for 30 seconds, wipe, and your lips are instantly soft. Another one is brown sugar plus coconut oil or olive oil, same method. Gently circle, don't scrub like you're sanding wood. You can even mix a tiny bit of honey with sugar and it doubles as hydration. Now let's talk about facial massages. Koreans are obsessed with face massages, that's why their skin looks like glass. It actually helps with blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and makes your skin glow naturally. Take some face oil or moisturizer, rub it on your hands then, start at your neck, sweep downwards to open drainage. Then use your knuckles to push your jawline upward, starting from your chin to your ears. Sweep your fingers upwards on your cheeks towards the temples. Use your ring fingers because they're the weakest, gently tap in a circular motion under your eyes. This helps with dark circles and puffiness. Another one, place your fingers on your forehead and just glide them upward in strokes from brows to hairline. This relaxes your muscles, helps with tension lines. Do this massages 3 minutes daily. It won't change your bone structure, but it will keep your face looking fresher and less saggy over time. Okay, lastly, your skin is basically a mirror of what you eat. If you're munching on junk, drinking too much soda, or binging on sugar, your skin is like, thanks, but no thanks. And boom, breakouts, dullness, puffiness. But if you eat clean, colorful, and nutrient-packed food, your skin literally glows on its own. No highlighter needed. So eat lots of fruits and veggies for vitamins and antioxidants. Think berries, carrots, spinach, avocado, tomatoes. Protein from eggs, fish, tofu, because your skin needs building blocks to repair itself. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and more. Cut back on sugar, processed junk, chips, instant noodles, soda, and greasy fried stuff. Too much of that messes with your skin, makes it oily, puffy, or prone to breakouts. Drink water constantly, not just a sip here and there, because hydration equals plump and glowing skin. Koreans are big on beauty from the inside out, so they swear by green tea and fermented foods. Green tea is like liquid skincare that calm your skin, reduce puffiness, and also help fight breakouts. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that calm down acne, reduce oiliness, and even protect the skin from sun damage. So a simple pack of green tea or matcha powder from any supermarket works. Add a little lemon or honey if it feels too bitter and you've got yourself a glow potion. Then there's kimchi, but don't panic. If you're not in Korea, any fermented food like yogurt, sauerkraut, or even pickles works. These are loaded with probiotics that keep your gut healthy, and when your gut is happy, your skin naturally looks clearer and glows more. Also remember, when you put anything on your face, like toner, serum, moisturizer, don't just slap it on or rub it like crazy. Pat it gently with your fingers so your skin actually absorbs it. And seriously, less is more. Tiny amount is enough. Don't drown your face like it's a soup bowl. All right, babe, that's all the Korean skincare secrets to make your skin glow and healthy. Try these hacks, have fun, and watch your skin flex on everyone. And hey, if you want more glow up secrets and real life hacks, hit that subscribe button and join the Glow Gang.